So there is a weird problem with the car. We put it in first gear and then we have like no gas. It works fine, and little gas is good, but if you stomp it, it does some weird stuff. And it does weird stuff until you go over 4,000 RPM. At 4,000 RPM or more it runs fine, but until you get there it runs like shit. It's like, I don't know what's going on, but there's obviously something wrong. It wasn't like this before, it just started being like this after the inspection. Yeah, I did the inspection. No, that's wrong. I was at the inspection. Whoops, that was a mistake. And this is the paper that I got, and it's approved. I got like 2 minor errors that are so small that I don't need to go back there for them to check. One of them was like the hood, there is a spring missing, and the other one, there is a exhaust leak somewhere. And then there were like 4 things that were like good to know, but not like major, but maybe later on. It's like mostly rust. It's 4 different places which are rusty. So this car is road legal, and that's really awesome. I just need to fix this engine issue, and then it's perfect. Sometimes when you drive this car and like full gas and with this engine issue, you get this backfire and a lot of smoke. It's probably hard to see. Sometimes it runs quite smoothly, but sometimes it's like really hard to get it to work. Okay, let's try another run and let's see what happens. So we'll start at low RPM and then we'll hit it. And then as soon as we go above 4,000 it runs good. And all the power is there, but before it's like dead. It's running better now, but it's still not good. Let's try again. There's a turn here and another one. Okay, let's try one more. That was a good run actually. Maybe it's getting better. I should have plenty of wheel spin when I'm doing this, but no. At least on this like